Hey you guys, Jen and Walt and I are hanging out at our favorite local meat place, May's Meat. This place is just a couple doors down from my office. Her dad works here. Mr. Rogers has been talking to us about what's going on here, and we want to show you something that's going to absolutely blow your mind. Boom. So here's the deal. He said that it takes a few hours to work up the kind of thing we're going to show you in just a minute. And so you're getting ready to see something that's kind of like overwhelming to me, and I had a moment of just like, are you kidding me? But here it is. You ready? Are you guys ready for this? Here it comes. All right? Ready? I don't think you're ready. Here it comes. Watch this. So let's look right here. See that right there, folks? Jen, what does that represent?
The weight I have lost so far on this.
So folks, right here on the program, see that massive fat right there? That's what about 10 pounds of fat looks like. Jen's lost 15. Let's be clear. Look at that. Boom. That right there. Boom. That is 10 pounds of fat. I'm not making that up. Right there. So Jen was carrying that around until now. Gone. That's gone. So check this out. Here's what's really scary. You ready for this? So Jen and I want to show you something that's really shocking. So again, here it is. This right here is me. I have lost 64 pounds as of today. Folks, that is what 64 pounds of fat looks like. Are you kidding me? Seriously, 64 pounds of fat. What is this about? See, seriously, it took simple, small habits to lose 64 pounds of fat. 15 pounds of fat is gone forever. It takes these guys hours of this kind of cutting and everything to get this stuff off of meat that we eat. And so I want to shout out to May's Meat. If you're in the area, you need to get in here, because if you want to do leans and greens like we do as part of the program, you can get your leans right here, baby. The link's in this. And let me say this, if you need help with that loss of this or that, you need to talk to Jen or me or any of our other coaches. So I want to shout out to some of our coaches. We're going to link them in here. Shelly White's doing this. JC Bolton, Jason Barr. We've got, I'm trying to remember all of our coaches. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. Jose Padilla is one of our coaches. He can help you guys lose this and this. We've got so many other coaches. Mike Deal and Jamie Dealer doing it. Who else is doing it? I'm trying to think. Lori would be great if she were here right now. We'll tag them in this. You'll find them there. And then folks, listen, don't carry that weight around anymore. And look at that. I'm not going to carry that around. That's just amazing. That's shocking. So I want to shout out one more time. John Michael, thank you. Michael Fox is on. Michael, can you believe this? This is amazing. He's ready to coach with us. You have anything else you want to say?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
So here we go, guys. That's it. 10 pounds of fat, gone. 15 really lost. 64 pounds, baby, gone. That's it. Get out here to May's Meat. Get your lean and green.